Girl, my stomach hurts so bad. Uh, my stomach is so bloated, it hurts. And I didn't even eat a lot of food. Let's get right into this video because, girl. Okay, so it is Tuesday. What's today? Tuesday, November 26th. Listen, I am craving chocolate like crazy, but I'm not gonna cave in. I was about to go buy me some M&Ms, and I was like, ooh, I have not had M&Ms in months. I have not had a Twix in months. And I was like, girl, don't you do it. And yes, it is that time of the month, but usually the week before Flojo comes, I do eat like some chocolate. But I always have my low carb ice cream. Always, 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 always have low carb ice cream. So earlier today, before work, I went and got me, well, y'all can see it backwards because I'm filming faceward. But this is the pure protein. You get 4 bars, and I got the chocolate deluxe. This one is 21 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, and 180 calories. Now, I've never had the chocolate deluxe, but the fact that it is chocolate, I feel like this is going to give me that boost that I need. I think what it is that I'm sleepy. I am that is not going to bring nutrition to my body. Your girl is going to have a protein bar, which is going to, even though it is processed and it is junk, but at least I'm getting my chocolate fix and I'm increasing my protein at the same time. It's really nice and chocolatey. Oh my God. The chocolate consistency, the out part, is almost like a Snicker, but of course the inside. Ooh, I need something to drink. Let me go back inside because it is not my break time. I just had to sneak out here and get this chocolate. All right, guys. All right, so it's 10:27, Thursday, 28th, and we are getting ready to weigh ourselves. All right, so I'm weighing at 138.2. I did just get off my menstrual cycle, so, which is fine. I'm not worried. 138 is not bad at all. So, and I had already ate, so I forgot to weigh myself early this morning before I ate. So I'm probably around 137 actually. But yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, gorgeous. Welcome back to the channel. By the time you see this video, it will be the day after Thanksgiving. But of course, you should already know, if you've been following me, I record the day before I upload videos, okay? So as of right now, while I'm in this shirt, it is Thursday, November 28th. So technically, it is Thanksgiving, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into the stats. I am on maintenance on Zepbound, 5 milligrams. Last Friday, I did not take my injection, so that means this is my second week on the 5 milligrams. So I take my injections every other week because I'm in maintenance mode, and I have been able to stay within maintenance between 136 and up to 138. So I kind of my weight fluctuates, okay, which is very common when it comes down to maintenance, because you will not be the same exact weight every single week. There will be some fluctuation, so just keep that in mind. I'm not hung up on a number, but yeah, girl. So far as like my calories, to me, I felt like my calories was pretty much still the same. I felt like it was a little bit higher than what it was last week, but let's do a comparison. So I'm going to show you the calories that I ate the first week when I took the injection of 5 milligrams. I'm going to tally it all up, put the number here. Then I'm going to tally up this week, which was last Friday, the second week, where I did not take an injection. I'm going to tally up the calories for here. Okay, so this is editing Tamika here. So I wanted to step in. As you saw that I did not tally up on Thursday. So what you saw was my breakfast that I had, but I did not tally up the Thanksgiving meal. Reason being is because I don't know what people put in their food. So it's kind of hard to get an idea of how many calories of what is what, which is why you're going to see a picture of the actual food that I ate and the cake that I ate. But girl, I cannot tally up other people's food when I didn't even cook. So, okay. So with that being said, if Thursday was just a regular day, not even Thanksgiving, and I made my own food, yes, my calorie intake would have been up compared to last week. So I just wanted to put that out there. Calories I ate from the first week compared to the second week. Mind you, I did start my menstrual cycle this week and I literally just got off of it. Mind you, I weighed myself after I ate my bagel, which I forgot to weigh, and after I ate my coffee, drank my coffee. I forgot to weigh myself early in the morning because I like to weigh myself when on an empty stomach. 38.2, so that is 1.6 pound of water weight gain. That's it. I owe it to the menstrual cycle. I can't even say that it's from the calorie increase because of my menstrual cycle. I really did not feel a difference, but based off on the numbers. Okay, so with that being said, far as like the weight itself, I will not, going forward, be giving any more weight scale updates on my weekly Friday Zepbound videos. I will not be doing that. The reason being is because I've already surpassed my weight loss goal. My weight loss goal was 145 and here I was around 136. That has been my weight fluctuation between 136 and 138. It is what it is. My second weight loss goal was to hit 135. I don't really care to hit 135. A few weeks ago, I made a video that I really didn't care to be on Zepbound anymore. And this was before I found out that my doctor was going to go ahead and he was going to titrate me down to 5 milligrams. So with that being said, if you've been following me, body recomp has been my main focus and my main goal, which was trying to do a calorie or metabolism reset, which means that you need to increase your calories to get to your maintenance number. And I'll put my number up here. I think it was around 1,700. So that has been my focus. And the reason for that is when you're trying to body recomp and build muscle, you need to increase your calories. Eating below your BMR, my BMR was around, I think, 12 or 1,300. So for me to be eating that low, there's no way I can build muscle eating below my BMR. I will only be giving a weight goal once a month, but I'm not going to give another weight goal since it's the last Friday of the month and December is Sunday. I'm not giving no more weight goals until the first Friday of January. Okay. Again, I still don't feel a need to take another injection. Like tomorrow, which will be today when you see the video, I'm supposed to take an injection and I really don't have an urge to take it. So I am going to skip this week again. I'm going to skip this week. I might just take my injections once a month or every 3 weeks. Either way, it doesn't really matter. I'm not sure. It's not Friday yet, so I might have changed my mind. But I like the way how my hunger cues are acting. I might just wait until next Friday to take it. That way I can be at my once a month type of deal. But if I see myself getting out of control or if I hit like 145. So let's just say, okay, if I go from 136 to 145, then yeah, I'm definitely going to start taking it again. But if I'm just doing a teeter-totter, like a fluctuation, a 2-3 pound fluctuation, girl, to me that's not enough to make me want to take the medication, especially when I'm trying to wean myself off. And you might be wondering, well, what about your authorization? Well, my doctor has not resubmitted my authorization. I don't know if he's waiting until it's almost that time for me to get my next box. So maybe he's probably going to wait until next month. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to hassle him anymore about it. Especially when I got things under control. So he knows how I am, because I do get a little antsy and anxious and all of that. So you know what? I'm just going to keep doing what I'm supposed to do. And he already knows that if I wanted to skip an extra week, it was fine. So he knows about that. But I'm just, I don't have an urge to take it when I don't want to rely on it so much. Again, if I see a 10-pound difference, then I will get on here and be like, hey girl, I'm 145. I'm fixing to take another shot, because obviously I ain't learned nothing, or something is cooking, and something is just getting out of control, and I need to get my mindset back right. But at the moment, my mindset is still right. I did absolutely wonderful on Thanksgiving, and the fact that I didn't have seconds just lets me know that my body still probably has a little bit of the GLP-1 in my system, but it's just not enough for me to be like, yeah, I'm ready to take another shot for what? You know what I'm saying? So as long as I keep front loading my protein, I feel like I'll be just fine. Just keep doing what I'm doing. Don't derail from it. That's when the trouble starts, okay? For me. You know what I'm saying? So it is the day after Thanksgiving, Friday 29th. And we're getting ready to weigh ourselves, 7:30 a.m. And I am 137.2.